Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing the precise keywords that will drive views. Target 1 to 2 primary phrases and place them in the title and within the first 25 words of your description. Once done, gather search volume data and competition percentage with a keyword tool so you know why those terms matter. Make sure to assemble 5 to 10 related tags and group topics into 3 clusters. This creates theme signals for algorithms and tells you how to frame your intro and timestamps. Now focus on content structure and metadata. Record with your target phrases naturally woven into the first 30-60 seconds, and craft a 200+ word description that repeats 1 to 2 long-tail keywords and includes timestamps for key sections. Then design a custom 1280x720 thumbnail with high contrast and a 2 to 3 word overlay so people click. Once complete, add chapters, pin a comment with a clear CTA, and place the video in 1 or 2 relevant playlists to increase session time. Finish by promoting strategically. Share your link to 3 targeted communities, schedule a 24-hour push, and cross-post short clips directing viewers to the full video. Then monitor analytics during the first 72 hours. Click-through rate, average view duration, and retention by segment tell you what to tweak. If things go wrong, start troubleshooting. For low CTR, test 3 new thumbnails. If retention falls in the first 30 seconds, tighten your hook and remove slow elements. Make changes, then re-promote immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.